Hi, my name is Brian, and in this video, I'll quickly run over how I managed my sounds in Wwise and implemented them into this Unity game project called Build a Stack. Before I start, I'd like to thank Adam T. Croft, Cujo Sounds, Brackeys, and Nathan Galinier for the guides in helping me create this project. Enjoy. A sequence container is used to play the C major scale. In the container property, I've changed the play mode to step. This way the sound is only played anytime a block is successfully stacked. My combination sounds are uploaded in a random container, which will play them randomly. And then a combo and scale event is created. For the interactive music, I wrote a simple song that has 7 audio tracks, ranging from lead, drums, bass effect, and shakers. A real-time parameter control is used to control the voice volume of each track. This will allow specific audio stems to fade in smoothly rather than the whole song playing from the start. A reverb tail is put into a separate music segment container. This sound will be played when the player fails to stack the block, signifying the end of the game. In order to switch between the music to the game over music, states are created. In this case, I created 2 states, alive and dead. The private void start function is called when the game starts. A float is created. Its purpose to assign a value to the RTPC. The RTPC needs to be set at 0 in order for the audio stems to play. I'll then set the state to alive using the setState function. This tells Unity that every time the game starts, the music state will be set to alive. Set the RTPC value and call the RTPC value above. Below that, I'll tell Unity to play the music using the post-event function by calling the game_music_event. Down at the private void update function, post the scale event like we did for the music event. This will play the C major scale every time the block is stacked and the game will continue. Just below that in the else statement, if the player fails to stack the block, the game will end as seen in the end game statement. Here, when the game over event happens, use the setState function. Call the state dead or alive and set the state to dead. In the private Boolean playstyle section, post the play combo event. In order to change the RTPC during game time, which controls the voice volume of the audio clips, I'll set it to the score count of the game. A public function named interactive music is created. I'll set this to void as I won't be returning anything. I'll call this function after every score count increment in the scale event. An if statement is created. If the score count is equal to 10, meaning that 10 blocks have been stacked successfully, the RTPC value will be equal to 30. At this point, once the score hits 10, you should be able to hear the bass and the drum tracks.
you.